and welcome back to Plan on Planning. Here we are in my gratitude planner, where I love to give thanks for all the things that I have and just show how grateful I am for the life that I'm living. Let's get started before I get too emotional. Alright, push this over to the side and let's make it happen, Captain. Alright, so for this one, like I said, this week I'm using the theme of the pink and the blues and a little foil ghost to go with it. So, of course, this was going to be our washi. So this is going to be my banner washi, and it's small enough where I can go ahead and double up. And this is going to be my washi that I frame out my days. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's stop playing games. Get rid of my week of. And because I'm doubling up the fun, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this black line as well on both sides of the fence. And then let's get right to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Alrighty. So I'm just going to start out right in the upper corner. And I'm like I usually do. I'm just going to leave it a little loosey-goosey so that when I go across and I create bubbles, or if I create bubbles, which it looks like I'm about to create, I don't have to worry basically. So I can go ahead and lay this bad boy right back down. No worries, no nothing. Bam. So let's just take that off and get right going to the other side. So for this one, I'm just going to put it right above the Monday. And it totally works out. Bam. Haha. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. I love it. Come on. I am seriously having trouble breaking my washi today. And I don't know what the problem is. But I got scissors, so I'm not worried. Basically. Alright, let's head on over to the other side. Hopefully this side gives me what I need. I'm going to go ahead and start right up in the corner. I didn't get exactly to the corner. That raised some issues. Alrighty, go right across. Tear. And I'm going to put it right under it. Just going right above the Friday. Bam. Alright, we making magic. We're making magic. And another tear. Okay. So, there we have our banner done. Now, let's get in with our framing of the days. If I can get this off. Alright. And I'm just, as usual, going right above the actual day. There we go. Going right above. And for the bottom, what I'm doing is I'm putting it in the middle of it. Bam. So that way it kind of looks like it's taking up the whole area. But it doesn't. It's like an optical illusion. Alright, here on the next side. Ugh, I just really love how this is coming together. Coming together. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put it right in the middle. Ha ha ha. Go right across the bottom. Oh my gosh, I'm loving, loving, loving this. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So adorable. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm not sure if you know that yet, but I love it. All right, so I have some stickers that I wanted to use, a couple of leftovers from another week that I thought really worked with what we have going on. And it's just some nice inspirational stickers. I'm gonna put that there. Gotta have, actually I'm gonna put it in the middle. Oh gosh, so I have, okay, I had like, it's like a 3-second rule I feel with stickers. You lay them down, you got like 3 seconds to pick them back up before they like permanently stick on you. So I have this one, life is better with friends, and my S is hanging over. Let me do it on this side just so I can see better. Life is better with friends. I have this one that I just had to use. It's today is the day. There we go. All right. And I have love this. Love this. Right here. And then some cute little flair that I'm just, I don't know, where should I put it around? I'll make a nice little collage on a Sunday. Bam. That doesn't really look like a collage now that I'm looking at it. Things accidentally lined up. I don't know. I don't know why my heart's lined up, to be very honest. But that's the start. That's where we're starting with. Don't kill the messenger, basically. Alright, so I'm going over to my 365 face stickers. And loving has to go up here. I'm gonna put 3 things there. Here we go. This should fit. Grow in grace. Oi. Grow in grace. Bam. Alrighty. And I just want to put something small somewhere. Just like this. Actually, I don't want to use this. I'm just going to be honest. But I want to find something to go right here. And I like this because it has a flower on it. And it fits exactly in the area. It says, plow deep, pray hard, prepare for rain. I like it. I like it. Okay, so here's this. Alright, so here, I think I'm done, to be very honest with you. Because you know, I like to keep it really, really simple in my gratitude planner. Because I got to make sure I got space to give gratitude. Yeah, I'm going to cover this Saturday. I know, but I want it here, to be honest. Alright, think happy thoughts. Alright, so I'm done. To be very honest, I'm done. I'm not, I know I said I was done. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Done. I'm not going to add a whole bunch. You know I don't like to. I need space to write and to be merry and to be grateful and to be thankful. So, now that I'm done with this, I know it's simple and there's not a whole bunch going on, but that is exactly my goal and exactly what I'm going for when it comes to my gratitude planner. So this is a simple one. Every other one, we go all out and we get crazy. But in my gratitude planner, I need the space to write and remind myself what I'm grateful for and also be able to give thanks to God for the things that He's given me. So I need as much space as possible when I write my things down. I don't want to be constrained. So I thank you so much for joining me here on Planned on Planning. If you have any questions at all, you can either comment below, you can send me an email, you can hit me up on social media, whatever feels more comfortable for you. I'm definitely going to hit you back, answer all your questions. If you just want to talk, we can definitely talk about anything. If you need some help, I can give you some help. If you want to know where I got anything from, I can definitely lead you in the right direction for that as well, being as how I'm always in stores like Michael's and Hobby Lobbies and online at different Etsy shops and whatnot. But nonetheless, just hit me up any time of day. I'm always on my phone, super connected to everything, social media, emails, all that good stuff. I thank you once again for joining me here on Planned on Planning. I cannot wait to hear back from you, wait to talk to you. But until then, I will see you next week. Have a blessed one.